Good morning, everybody. So yeah, I'm back in the Netherlands visiting family, and I did a bit of gliding. But now to this grey Fiat. So I first caught this Fiat in April 2022, and the, let's say, mid-40s female driver apparently accepted an FPN for 6 points and £200 for using the phone. She was not happy about being caught, as you'll see in the video I'll link at the end. Yeah, and then in January last year, 2024, I caught this Fiat again. I didn't initially realize it was the same car until I looked it up. And this time it was a young female driver. So given the DVLA record of the vehicle not having changed hands, it seems to me that this is probably a car owned by a family, by mom and dad, and that this is the daughter driving with the L plates. I don't know, anything could be true, you know. It could be entirely a different situation than what I'm guessing it to be. But I'm just really shocked that the parents let the daughter drive on L plates whilst using her phone, and B, I'm really shocked that, having been caught 2 years ago, that they're not twice as hard on any kind of phone driving. I don't get it. Why would you not learn from the first time that a member of the family was caught, and why would you carry on using the phone and not stop that behavior completely, knowing that it's wrong? I don't get it. Maybe you can post in the comments below what you think these people are thinking when they get caught twice like this. Anyway, I don't know what happened in this case. I don't have any feedback from the Met. I mean the second case, when the person I presume to be the daughter was caught. That doesn't mean anything didn't happen. It doesn't mean the police dropped it, because, for example, just this morning I've had a court unavailable dates email come through for a similar case from last year, where I also don't have any feedback from the police. Hey, I get it, you know, I'm not blaming the Met for not always replying to my emails when they allocate a pen tip reference. That's a prosecution or FPN type reference. They're busy, and the load on the police is very, very high at the moment. So it's cool, I understand why. No judgment from me on that. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. Okay, well, on to the video from January last year. Enjoy. See you guys. Scrolling, lit up. You can't be using your phone behind the wheel, even stopped in a queue. It's no excuse. Lima Lima 11 Kilo Hotel Echo. That's a clear WhatsApp. Hello there, what are you doing? Oh dear. You've got an L plate on the back of the car, for goodness sake. LL11KHE. Doesn't mean she's the learner driver, of course. Right, toilet break. Dear. You're teaching your daughter to drive. I mean, it looks like his daughter, I could be completely wrong. And you're letting her message on her phone while she's teaching. Whilst you're teaching her, what the hell?